How people around the world celebrate? Well, that's a tricky question. Depending on where you're from, you may drink vodka, you may dance around the fire, or you do something completely different. Today, we'll take you to Solomon Islands Independence Day. The Solomon Islands are located in South Pacific and extend over nearly 1,000 islands, of which 147 are populated. Well, but what they're known for? For their beautiful blue waters, thousands of tropical plants and animal species. July 7, 1978 marks the day when Solomon Islands became independent from the British government. It is a day of celebrations based on dances and family gatherings. As we spent some time working on farms in beautiful Queensland, Australia, we've met lots of Vanuatu and Solomon Island residents. They work here in order to make more money for their families back home.
The main star of the day is coming. This is the man of the show.
Happy Independence Day, Solomon Island and Australia here. We're trying to celebrate together here.
Hello Vendon people, welcome to another video. Guys, if you follow my Instagram, then you saw Colin already, and I told you, remember this guy, alright? So that's this guy here. He used to work with us, and he's this amazing guy, and so he invited us to this beautiful party. Let's actually call him.
You have reached a message bank of 045.
Looks like Colin doesn't want to speak to us. He's supposed to do some traditional dances. He's supposed to sing there. Let's see the Independence Party. Alright, so currently we are in Atherton. We're going to Mariba, which is half an hour away. That means we need to put some petrol in our Nyokita.
Cost me $51. We can go for the party because I feel like drink.
And so here we are. This is it, Kate.
Party.
Thank you, Colin.
Oh la la! Hello. Oh, what is this, guys? Chicken?
Chicken head.
Oh wow! Chicken head. Hello. This is our friend from Avocados as well. We're documenting this, you know. So yeah, you're gonna be famous. Apparently, Colin is late. He's been talking about this show for like 2 months straight, and now he's late. That's my guy Colin, you know. My man. Solomon Island, that's the flag. All right, and then the back.
At the back.
Wow.
Let's see here. Our culture, our identity, you meet together.
What is you meet together?
You meet together means
We are
all
together. We're together.
You meet together.
The meaning of
44th Solomon Islands Independence Anniversary.
our culture is our identity.
Okay, thank you so much, mate.
So this is for you.
Okay.
We go and get t-shirts for Kate.
Okay.
It's already there.
Thank you. Alrighty. We are in the bus now.
I've never been into one like this.
Hey, this only happens with Solomon Island people, guys.
Man,
They gift us t-shirts, but we have to pay for them. And now we're going to the shop to pay for them, guys. We love it. We love it. Wait. You okay, mate? It looks alright.
This is new to me. No, this is not the place.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Do you know where is it on the map or how it...
We go back.
We go.
We go back?
Yes. This is not the place.
Quick, Yui. Sorry. So currently we are lost. We were going to the shop where we were supposed to pay for our gift. The shop we're going to is the shop that prints, you know, all these t-shirts, but we can't find it. Go this way, Colin. Go this.
Alright.
Colin.
Oh,
Oh, you can do it, Colin.
oh, not good.
Not good.
Yeah, and it's gonna be 600 meters on left. Yeah.
Hey, workwear printing. That's the place. Yes, sir. Woohoo!
Forgive me, please.
No,
Oh,
that's
we
okay.
forgive you.
Okay.
We found it.
Yeah.
So you know who Colin is now, but I'm going to show you some. I've got more Vanuatu friends, guys. Look, this is my guy right here. I'm gonna show you my biggest friend in the world. Look at this guy, black belt karate kid, eh? Hey, Mali, how you going? John, the strongest in the world. And then we've got the photographer. Oh my God, look at this guy. Show your biceps, bro. Oh my God, this guy's so strong. Yeah, guys, this is amazing. You don't pay anything to actually attend this Independence Day, but they give you food for free and drinks as well. You see, I've got a drink here. That's just amazing,
I'm
man.
vegetarian, but I have lots of options as well.
You've got a lot of stuff
I like
there.
seafood though.
And I've got some traditional stuff there as well.
Yeah.
Otherwise, take it to Maslow. Attention, please,
10 out
everyone.
of 10. Hi, Colin's gonna be on stage in like 5 minutes, guys.
5 minutes.
I rock the crowd because I'm a musician.
We wind up the program. This one is called Love. Love is the key. Today, we're here because of love. Woo! Yeah!
Let's go.
Yeah! Love! Love is the key.
DJI, guys. I think I'm gonna end this video here. What a beautiful day. Hope you enjoyed it.
Today's story wasn't just a story. This was about a man with courage, about giving over taking, about positive over negative, making a conscious effort to be helpful and supportive without expecting anything in return. There is a good in this world, and today was proof of that.
Love is the key.